Alright, pwede din po tayo mag-power play. What if you have more than 2 friends? Hindi naman, syempre, dalawa lang friends mo. Hindi naman pwede yun. Alright? So, pwede po kayo mag-power play account. Pwede po kayo mag-3 accounts or 7 accounts. Or, pwedeng mas marami pa. Depende na po yun sa inyo. Ganito po yung power play. 3 accounts. Sa'yo po yung 3 accounts. Hanap lang po kayo ng 4 na friends. Alright? And, don't forget, tulungan natin yung 4 nating friends na mag-power of 2. Okay? Same effort, power of 2. However, your income will be multiplied by 3. So, that is potential income in 1 year na 5.7 million. Yan po yung potential income nyo, power of 2. Kung gusto nyo po ng career, ito po yung magiging power play natin na 7 accounts. Alright, hanap lang po tayo ng 8 friends. And again, don't forget na turuan natin yung 8 friends natin na mag-power of 2. After 1 year, ito po yung potential income nyo, 13.3 million. Okay? Let's say 10% yung nag-work dyan, which is 1.3 million. Okay na din. Milyonaryo ka na after a year, di ba? Sideline mo lang ulit yan. Ginagawa mo during your part-time pag wala kang ginagawa. Again, gusto ko lang po i-clarify na V-Mobile business is not really about e-loading. Part lang po yung e-loading sa business natin. Habang nag-i-loading ka sa mga friends mo, don't forget to endorse the business. Endorse the business through marketing. Let them know about the consumer empowerment, the benefits that they'll get. Yung makukuha nilang mga benefit na convenience, discount, and extra income. Yun po yung talagang i-endorse natin. Benefits na makukuha nila. Again, part-time lang yung e-loading.